Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Kiran from Foodistan Travels. Today I'm telling you simple recipe of steamed rice, and this is especially for my American friend Renee. It's simple, but it is very important to learn how to prepare rice. But before we start, please like and subscribe my channel Foodistan Travels and follow me on Instagram as well. Let's start. Take 1 cup or 250 gram rice for 2 servings. I am using Basmati rice. Rinse and soak them into water for at least 15 minutes. In a cooking pot, add 5 to 6 cups of water. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 cloves and 4 to 5 black pepper. You can add cardamom as well or cinnamon if you want. Once the water starts boiling, add rice. Turn the heat into medium to low and cook rice for at least 10 to 15 minutes or until al dente. Make sure do not stir again and again, otherwise the rice grains will be broken. Drain the water and sieve the rice properly. Bring the rice back to the pot and cover it with the lid and cook on a very low heat for 2 to 5 minutes. Alright, so steamed rice are all set to eat, and it is very healthy because the starchy water is already drained out. Thank you for watching my video. Please try this recipe and also share your experience in a comment section below. Stay tuned. Bye bye.